Welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Guides. In this video, we'll be walking you through a step-by-step process for picking up a new hobby or skill and sticking with it until you master it. Step 1. Identify your interests and goals. The first step in learning a new hobby or skill is to identify what you're interested in and what you hope to achieve. This could be something as simple as wanting to learn how to play a musical instrument for fun, or something more ambitious like wanting to start your own business. Whatever your interests and goals may be, it's important to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve before you get started. Step 2. Research and plan. Once you have a clear idea of what you want to learn, it's time to do some research and plan out how you're going to achieve your goals. This might involve finding a local class or workshop, purchasing resources or materials, or simply setting aside dedicated time in your schedule to practice. Whatever your plan may be, it's important to have a clear roadmap for how you're going to achieve your goals. Step 3. Get the right tools and resources. To learn a new hobby or skill, you'll need the right tools and resources. This might include things like a musical instrument, art supplies, or a computer and software for coding. It's important to invest in quality tools and resources that will help you learn effectively and efficiently. Step 4. Find a mentor or teacher. Having a mentor or teacher can be incredibly helpful when learning a new hobby or skill. A mentor or teacher can provide guidance, feedback, and encouragement, which can all help you stay motivated and on track. If you can't find a mentor or teacher in your local area, there are plenty of online resources and communities that can provide support and guidance. Step 5. Practice, practice, practice. The key to mastering any new hobby or skill is practice. Make sure to set aside dedicated time in your schedule for practice, and try to stick to a consistent schedule as much as possible. It's also important to be patient and remember that learning takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see progress right away. It takes time and dedication to master anything. Step 6. Seek feedback and criticism. One of the best ways to improve is by seeking feedback and criticism from others. This could be from a mentor or teacher, or from friends or fellow learners. By actively seeking feedback and criticism, you can identify areas where you need to improve and work on them. Step 7. Stay motivated and focused. Learning a new hobby or skill can be challenging at times, and it's important to stay motivated and focused in order to make progress. One way to stay motivated is to set small, achievable goals for yourself and celebrate each time you reach one. It's also helpful to surround yourself with supportive people who can encourage and motivate you. Step 8. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Finally, remember that it's okay to make mistakes when learning something new. In fact, making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process. Don't be afraid to try new things, even if you're not sure you'll be successful. Embrace the opportunity to learn and grow, and don't let fear hold you back. That's it for our video on how to learn a new hobby or skill in 8 easy steps. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you're feeling inspired to start learning something new. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe for more amazing content.